So we just looked at multiplying algebraic expressions with exponents that just had x's. Now what happens if we add a y into that equation? So we need to look at combining like terms, and then things that do not look alike, we want to make sure that we don't try to combine those. So this time I'm going to have to use the distributive property. So I'm going to have to multiply the first number times the first term, and then I'm going to have to do it again with the second term. So let's go ahead and rewrite that. So that's going to give me 3x cubed times 2x, and then a positive times a negative is a negative, so minus 3x cubed times 7y. So it's the same thing as what we've done in previous videos, is we're going to multiply like things. So these are numbers, so we're going to multiply them, and the 3 and the 7 are also a number. So this is going to give me 3 times 2, and over here it's going to give me 3 times 7. So next what we look at is we want to look at our letters. And so when I look at the letters, I notice here I have an x and an x. So I'm going to be able to combine those. So it's going to give me an x cubed times an x. Now over here I've got an x and a y. So those are different. So it's just going to be x to the 3 times y. So what happens when I simplify all of that? 3 times 2 is 6. Remember here we're going to add our exponents. So I'm going to have x to the 4th. Now don't forget to copy down that minus sign. So minus 3 times 7 is 21. Now the x's and the y's are different, so it's just going to give me x cubed y.